How to repost close friends story on Instagram. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So in order to actually view your close friends stories that you've posted in the past, what you want to do is click on the top right corner and go to your archives over here. Now at the top, you want to make sure it is actually in fact set to story archives and not post archives. And then once you are here, this was a close friends archive, a story that I posted. Now, if I want to repost this close friends story, then what you want to do is click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on Reshare Archived Story. Now, if you click on there, you can see that we can share it just like that. So here you can see this text as well. We could delete that if you would like to, or you could leave it. And you can, for example, make the photo bigger again. But the so it like actually looks like the exact same story. But the most important part is that you got to look out for the fact that you have to post it as a close friend story again. So it is not in fact a close friend story automatically. You have to do this. You have to, post it on your close friend story again. So keep that in mind, that if you were to post it on your regular story, then a close friend story from before now turns into a regular story that everyone can view. So that is how to repost close friends story on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.